Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, April 27th, 2026. KSE 100 extended its pullback today, closing lower and drifting towards near-term support as momentum softened without any meaningful intraday recovery. Now let's take a look at the chart. All right, another 1174.69 point drop for the day, minus 0.697%. ज़रूरी बात यह है कि आप again market finds support at the 10-day exponential moving average 168,989.98 आज का ज़रूरी लेवल है. हमने देखा है पिछले कुछ दिनों में कि this level has been very important. Again, as the market pulls back, it finds support here. मार्केट का नैरेटिव ज़रूरी है, इसको देखें इस बार फिर से. वॉल्यूम और मोमेंटम का एक ट्रेड ऑफ है. Volume once again lower than average, indicating decline lacked aggressive selling pressure. लेकिन मोमेंटम जो है वो थोड़ा सा लूज कर रहा है. RSI 5641 below its own average. ये बता रहा है कि मोमेंटम पॉजिटिव है लेकिन अब ये थोड़ा थोड़ा कूल कर रहा है. MACD is reinforcing this argument. MACD positive, bullish momentum persists. तो histogram correction suggests slowing upside strength slow हो रही है. ADX इसी बात को कंफर्म कर रहा है. 27th low trend strength indicating lack of solid direction इस वक्त इस मूव में. इस पर एक और भी एक्सटर्नल पुश था alongside the war in the Middle East. There was also the interest rate decision जो कि अब हो गया. हमारा verdict ये है कि structure remains intact but momentum is clearly fading. RSI is slipping below its average, ये आपको नजर आ रहा है, and price hovering just above the 10-day exponential moving average 168,989.98. Market is vulnerable to short-term pullback unless buyers step in quickly to stabilize the tape. हमें अगर एक burst of buying activity नहीं होता with above average volume तो फिर इस वक्त pullback का जो डर है वो बहुत रियल है, especially when this support is being tested over here. Once again 168,989.98.